in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the game bar on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says gaming. And then on the right side, select game bar. If you want to enable the game bar, toggle the top option to the on position to allow your controller to open the game bar. And you can also adjust which buttons open the apps as well by toggling that on too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.